Megathreats are looming over us, threatening our very existence. Climate change, nuclear war, pandemics, and cyberattacks are not just buzzwords, but real dangers that we must face. The consequences of these threats are dire: loss of lives, destruction of infrastructure, and disruption of our way of life. The question is, are you prepared for the megathreats? Climate change is one of the most pressing issues facing our planet today. The Earth's temperature is rising at an alarming rate due to human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and agriculture. This increase in temperature has led to more frequent and severe weather events such as hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires. The consequences of climate change are far-reaching and potentially catastrophic. Rising sea levels could displace millions of people living in coastal areas, while changes in precipitation patterns could lead to food shortages and water scarcity. In addition, the warming of the oceans could lead to the extinction of many marine species. Nuclear war is a threat that has loomed over humanity since the first atomic bomb was dropped on Hiroshima in 1945. The destructive power of these weapons is unimaginable, with just one bomb capable of leveling an entire city. In the event of a full-scale nuclear war, the consequences would be catastrophic, with millions of lives lost and the world as we know it forever changed. The danger of nuclear war remains ever present, with tensions between nuclear-armed nations continuing to simmer. It is up to all of us to work towards a world free of nuclear weapons and to prevent the unthinkable from becoming a reality. Pandemics have been a recurring threat throughout human history, and with the rise of global travel and interconnectedness, the potential for a devastating pandemic is greater than ever before. A pandemic occurs when a new virus emerges and spreads rapidly across the globe, causing illness and death on a massive scale. The 1918 flu pandemic, for example, infected an estimated 500 million people worldwide and resulted in the deaths of between 50 and 100 million people. Cyberattacks are a very real threat to our daily lives. They can range from simple phishing scams to complex hacking operations that can bring down entire systems. The consequences of a successful cyberattack can be devastating. It can lead to the theft of personal information, financial loss, and even loss of life in extreme cases. In conclusion, the megathreats we face are real and pressing. However, there are steps we can take to increase our chances of survival. Firstly, we must prioritize the reduction of carbon emissions to combat climate change. This includes supporting renewable energy sources and reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Secondly, we must work towards disarmament and preventing nuclear war. This involves advocating for peaceful resolutions to conflicts and supporting international treaties. Thirdly, we must invest in global health infrastructure to better prepare for pandemics. This includes increasing funding for research and development of vaccines and treatments. Lastly, we must prioritize cybersecurity and take measures to protect ourselves from cyberattacks. This includes regularly updating our software and using strong passwords. By taking these steps, we can increase our chances of surviving the megathreats and creating a safer world for future generations. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.